Hazrat Bahauddin Zakaria, ANS. He was a great saint of Suhrawardi branch of mysticism and flourished in Multan. Sidi Malla was a saint of Jalaluddin Khilji's period and was executed on charges of political treason. Juna Khan was the original name of Muhammad bin Taghluq. An-e Akbari is the renowned work of Abul Fazl about the government of Akbar the Great. Tarikh-e a history of Lodi dynasty written by Abdullah during the Mughal period. In order to inquire into the injustice done to the Muslims during Congress ministries, the Muslim League appointed a committee under the chairmanship of Raja Muhammad Mehdi. Yuk, a place near Bahawalpur district. It is the burial place of Makhdoom Jihanian. Tabaqat-e Akbari was the name of history written by Nizamuddin in 1593. It contains detailed account of Ghaznavids to the 36th year of Akbar's reign. Buland Darwaza was built by Akbar the Great at Fatehpur Sikri to commemorate his conquest of Gujarat. Fatwa-e Jahandari was Ziauddin Barani's book on statecraft. Shams Saraf Afif, author of Tarikh-e-Firaz Shahi. Fuwaid-ul Fadat was written by Ziauddin Barani. Mirza Haider Duglat, ANS. He was a cousin of Babur and author of Tarikh-e-Rashidi. Nader-ul-Asr Mansur, the title was conferred by Mughal Emperor Jahangir upon his court painter Mansur. Muhammad Masum Nami, a governor of Kandar. He lies buried at Sukkar. He wrote Tarikh-e-Singh Muslim League was founded under the leadership of Nawab Salimullah Khan. Allama Iqbal was elected as a member of Punjab Legislative Assembly in 1926 and chosen president of Muslim League in 1930. Iqbal's early poems were composed mainly in Bangi Dara and published in the year 1924. Mr. Mountbatten announced the partition of India into two independent states on June 3, 1947. The Cabinet Mission Scheme was placed before Quaid-e-Azam in April 1946. Contemporary politics. Panipat is a famous town near Delhi. 3 important battles were fought on this ground. Moinuddin Ajmeri was a great saint of Chisti sect of Islamic mysticism. Syed brothers, Hussain Ali and Abdullah Khan, who flourished in the early part of the 18th century, are historically known as Syed brothers. They were kingmakers for few years. Rohtas fort was built by Sher Shah near Jhelum. Firdausi wrote Shahnameh and was also a court poet of Mahmud of Ghazni. Awqaf, Muslims' holy religious places are termed as Awqaf. Bahadur Kabir, founder of Bhakti movement. He flourished in 15th century. Kashful Mahjub is renowned work on mysticism by Ali Hajvari, Data Sahib. Abul Fazl, a leading light of Akbar's reign. He wrote Akbarnama, which is the most authentic history of Akbar's period. Madrasa Rahimia was established by Shah Abd-ur-Rahim at Delhi. Jainism is a religious movement started by Mahavirs. The year when the Quaid-e-Azam decided that the Muslim League would join the interim government in India was 1946. The name of a person who has been the Governor-General as well as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Khawaja Nazimuddin. Tahmasp, the king of Persia who helped Humayun to recapture his throne. Qutbuddin Aibak was a great commander of Muhammad Ghawri who laid foundation of slave dynasty. Ghazi Malik, was the original name of Ghiyasuddin Taghluq. Amir Khusrau, a great poet and singer. He was a disciple of Khawaja Nizamuddin Aulia. He flourished during the Sultanate period. Dara Shikoh was son of Shah Jahan, he fought against Aurangzeb Alamgir. He was mystic and writer. Bahram Khan was tutor of Humayun and Akbar. He was chiefly instrumental in the victory of Mughals over Hemu in 1556. Madrasa-e-Rahimiyya, a famous religious institution started by Shah Abdul Rahim of Shah Waliullah, husband in the affairs of the state. The Objectives Resolution was accepted by the Constituent Assembly on March 12, 1949. Sikha Ndar Mirza was the last Governor-General of Pakistan. Zil-e-Ilahi means, shadow of Allah. Sabuktgan was the ruler of Ghazni. He ruled Ghazni from 977 to 997. Ibn Battuta was a famous African traveller who stayed in the court of Muhammad bin Taghlaq for several years. He travelled over the quarter part of the then world from China to India. Kanwaha is the historical place in North India where Babur defeated the Rajputs in 1527. At this historical place, Babur broke his wine vessels. Saras Sajar, guardian of Islamic law and spokesman of ulama. Qutbatul Islam Mosque was built by Qutbuddin Aibak near Qutb Minar at Delhi. Francis Berny was a European traveller who visited India during Shah Jahan's period. Hkh Baki Billah Barang was renowned saint of Naqshbandiya order and was the spiritual guide of Hazrat Majid Al-Fsani. Kitab-ul-Hind was written by Al-Biruni. This is an authentic source about Indian culture and social life. The Objectives Resolution was passed at Karachi by the Constituent Assembly in 1949. The One-Unit Bill was accepted by the Parliament on October 19, 1955 when M. Ali Bagra was Prime Minister of Pakistan. Prithvi Raj was overthrown and killed in 1192 AD at Thainsar by Muhammad Ghori. Qutb Minar of Delhi was designed as a tower of victory, being the hallmark of the Empire of the Turks. The famous garden Ram Bagh at Agra was laid out by Sikha Ndar Lodi. The Lodi dynasty was founded by Bilal. Dara Shikoh in his religious thought was influenced by Mullah Shida. The famous manuscript Shikasta and Nastalik were written by Aurangzeb. In India, the legal status of the provinces was for the first time recognized under the Government of India Act 1935. The proposal of Union of India embracing both British India and by the Cabinet Mission, the Syed dynasty was founded by Izar Khan. The Buland Darwaza is situated at Fatehpur Sikri. Jahangir was imprisoned by Mahabad Khan. Champaner is a general. Mukdum Jihanian Jalaluddin Jahang Asht was a saint of Sarurdi Yasil's Isla. Petticoat government was headed by Mayhem Anga. I will tear it or burn it or throw it away but never accept it. Who stated this about the Government of India Act 1935? ANS. M. K. Gandhi. The Rashmi Rumal movement of 1905 was initiated by Muhammad Ali Jauhar. The Indian Independence Act was passed in the British Parliament on July 18. Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia was a Sufi of Kishtiya order. Manaki was a European traveller who came to the court of Jahangir. One of the earliest coming saints to India was Khawaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. Home Rule League was founded in 1916. The Baghdad Pact was signed in 1955. The system of basic democracy was first introduced in 1959. Hazrat Mahal's real name was Umro. She valiantly took part in 1857 War of Independence. She was the wife of Wajid Ali Shah of Oudh. Syed Amir Ali was an intellectual of high caliber. He worked as a lawyer, a judge of Calcutta High Court, founded Central National Mohammedan Association and remained president of the Hugh Imam Bara. He worked hard for Muslim League and Khilafat movement. He settled down in London and died there. Manzoor Qadir was son of Sheikh Abdul Qadir. He was a seasoned advocate. He represented Pakistan at the International Law Association in Yugoslavia. He worked as Foreign Minister of Pakistan and Chief Justice of West Pakistan High Court. Lala Lajpat Rai was a great Arya-Samajist. He took a most prominent part in the Congress affairs and along with Tilak and Bipin Pal took a prominent part in changing the Congress method from one of petition to that of application of direct sanction. He incurred displeasure of the British government and was deported to Burma in 1907. He took part in non-cooperation, Divide and Quit written by Penderel Moon. Foreign Policy of Pakistan, a historical analysis is written by S. M. Burke.